Hey guys, so after years of editing all my videos on my Android phone using Power Director, I finally decided it's time to upgrade my setup. My old phone was almost 5 years old and it would literally force close whenever I tried editing 4K footage. So yeah, I finally took the plunge and went for the Mac Mini M4 for my video editing needs. Now, the first purchase was a bit of a disaster. I ordered it from Amazon, but they sent me a box that was clearly opened before. I returned it right away. After that, I went to the iPlanet store and bought it offline. It cost me maybe 2 to 3,000 rupees more than Amazon, but the peace of mind was worth it. The box was properly sealed, brand new, and the whole unboxing felt so much better. So here we have it, the Mac Mini M4 base variant. After all the card offers, it came up to around rupees 55,000. On Amazon, it was around 52,000, but again, with expensive hardware like this, I would rather not take chances. The packaging is clean and minimal. The seals are in place. Let's peel these paper tabs on the top and bottom and slide the box open. And this is the Mac Mini itself. That aluminum body looks perfectly machined. The edges are smooth, the finish feels premium. It also comes wrapped in this butter paper-like protective sheet. We will keep the Mini aside for a second and see what else is in the box. There's a power cable and some basic Apple paperwork that explains the ports and setup process. The cable is a simple 2-pin cable with decent length. Alright, back to the Mac Mini. Let's remove the wrapping. At the bottom is the power button, which is hardly used except for switching it on. And then there is the circular fan which helps with the ventilation and cooling. On the back, we have the power port, Ethernet port, one HDMI and 3 Thunderbolt ports. On the front, we have 2 Type-C ports and a 3.5mm headphone output. And there is also a small white LED indicator that glows when the Mac Mini is powered on. Note, this 3.5mm port is only for audio out, not for mic input. Now, let's set it up with my external monitor. I have placed the Mini on the left side of my desk. Alright, now let's connect the cables. The first cable is the HDMI cable that is coming from my external monitor and goes into the HDMI port on the Mac Mini M4. Next is the power cable, which I connect one end into the Mac Mini M4 at the rear and then the other end into the electrical outlet. I'm using my existing Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, which actually uses a USB dongle. But since the Mac Mini doesn't have a Type-A port in the front, I bought this small Type-C to Type-A adapter on Amazon for around rupees 99 from a brand called Zebronics. So, I'll plug the dongle into the adapter and the adapter into the Type-C port. Let's power it on. Time for the first boot. I actually heard a startup chime, which surprised me because I didn't expect a speaker in such a small device. But yeah, it's there. Mac OS starts up with that hello screen. And the mouse works fine. So no need to buy new peripherals. Thank God. And the keyboard too. All is good. I'm signing in with my Apple ID using my iPhone. Everything syncs instantly. The setup is smooth and there's already a Mac OS update available called the Tahoe 26. It's around 13 GB, so I will get that installed next. So yeah, I'm all set and ready to explore Mac OS for video editing. Thanks for watching this unboxing and setup video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And stay tuned, I'll be updating many follow-up videos and the list of accessories that I'm going to be using with this base variant of Mac Mini. Thank you for watching.